Wait a second. Who are you guys?
Oh, we're group 7. It's Sean, Alvaro, and
Alpha, Beta, and Gamma.
And Andrew. Where did Andrew go?
He went to the bathroom.
Okay.
He has a bladder problem.
It's a pleasure to meet you guys. What's the project?
Our project is a Rube Goldberg device, and it took us a long time, so we hope it works.
Like 20 hours.
And then, obviously, a lot of materials involved. We used Legos, mouse
Sean,
trap.
talk to the camera.
Talk to the camera. No. And a golf ball and
Dominoes.
water bottle. And
Marbles.
yeah, glass.
More Legos.
Yeah.
2 metal things.
So overall, it probably took us like what?
20 hours probably.
Like 20 hours, which is more than we spent on senior project.
Yeah,
Don't tell
true.
English teachers.
Alright, so the golf ball is going to come down, hit that, hit this right here, release like the trap door, release the marble thing. It's going to slide down, hit that, push against the dominoes. It's going to go all the way. Is that Andrew?
Yeah.
Should wait for him.
Oh yeah. Continue.
Oh, well, this domino is going to fall down, releasing this marble right here. It's going to go down that, hit this thing. It's going to pull down on this. It's going to make this shake, and it's going to release this marble. It's going to go down this, hit that. It's going to go down that. There's another marble. You don't need
There's
it?
not supposed to, no. And then it's gonna hit the weight, hit that, releasing the wheel, it's gonna turn around, this can's gonna fall off, and the weight of the can is gonna push down and make that fill up this.
It's crazy.
The cap should be off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like the most important part.
Yeah, alright, well, here it goes, I guess.
Sit down after this.
What?
Sit down to see.
Are you ready?
Yes. Sit down. We can't see.
Yo. Yeah. Who wants more?
And yeah, now we have no idea what to do with it, so we're
It's
probably
going
gonna.
for sale on eBay for $500.
Alright, so now we have to explain the physics behind it, I guess. Alright, so the golf ball starts out at
Potential energy.
potential energy, and when it's released, it gains kinetic energy because it's moving,
The
obviously.
momentum. And transfers the momentum to this thing right here, which has gravitational potential energy, and it gets converted to kinetic energy,
Yeah,
which hits this trap door.
yeah,
And-
releasing. So it's basically a change from gravitational potential energy because everything's standing still to kinetic energy because it moves all along, and then to chemical energy, which gives us water, which we need for life. So that's pretty much it. There's inertia involved in. And in this part, the car hitting it because the energy from the ball transfers to the car, and so it goes down and hits.
And here too, like the momentum of the ball moves to this little stick thing.
Which moves to the dominoes,
Which
which
hits the
moves through
dominoes.
each other. So, yeah, it's one big gravitational potential energy to kinetic energy with momentum and inertia.
Thanks.
Yeah, that's basically the physics behind it. Any questions?
Yeah, is there any elastic potential energy in there?
I guess in the rubber band too. Well, that's elastic, but there's between the car and the tire. Well, I'm guessing that no energy is lost between the two because the momentum from this
Gets transferred
into the tire, so it's equal because it has enough force to knock down this weight, and it's pretty heavy. So
it should be an elastic.
any more questions?
I thought I saw some string somewhere.
String? Oh, yeah. It's holding the can.
And connects the pulleys to each other.
Wow.
Yeah.
Don't ask us how we thought of it, because we're all weird. That's how
It
we
just
thought of
happened,
it.
it just kind of. Okay.
Oh, and we have decorations, because we know Mr. Chapman likes weird stuff.
Yeah, sure I do.
There's guys in a boat.
Oh yeah, and there's
There's-
polar
that's
bears
all
and an
three of them.
elephant with a camel on
And
it.
it's a
Cheers.
chalkboard with like equations on it.
So do they cheer? Is that what
Yeah,
they're-
this one right here is getting too excited.
Okay,
So we got
so we're in charge of cheering for the moving object to kind of keep the energy high. Good.
Yeah. Oh, and we had to adjust it this morning when we brought it in, because I guess it's slanted.
How are we gonna bring it back?
So this was supposed to the ball was just supposed to roll and go off this ramp and hit it,
But it
but it
wouldn't
was
go off
hitting
the
the
ramp.
bottom of the domino, so it wouldn't hit right, and so we had to hit this to hit the middle of the domino, so it would topple over that way instead of going underneath.
Okay, just one last question. Is it a coincidence that it just happens to fit perfectly on that table?
Yeah, I measured it.
No, it's no coincidence. We came in and measured it.
So you planned that, okay.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
Good planning, very good planning. Okay, anybody else?
No.
Okay, you can clap now.
Yay!
And how many touches?